Greetings, this is Dwayne, CFRN. Do me a favor, on the right hand side or the left hand side or above or below or wherever the little subscribe button is, click that. If you do, you'll be kept up to date every time we publish a new video, and you'll always know what's going on over at CFRN. Now, on this video channel, you will find hundreds upon hundreds of videos. You'll find copies of the daily radio show, you'll find recap videos, you'll find webinars, seminars, Q&A sessions, and if that's not enough, but wait, there's more. Go to emini.cfrn.net. That's our Google Plus blog, and you'll find thousands of hours of radio shows, Q&A sessions, webinars, seminars, classes. Oh my goodness, the list does go on, doesn't it? Now, I have no snake oil to offer you. I have no magic. I have no crystal balls. I don't have a guru. I don't have any magical indicators or mystical oscillators. And so about half of you just said, well, let me get the heck out of here, because that's exactly what I'm looking for. Well, see, that's the problem. Since the beginning of the markets, man has attempted to find a way to predict the future. Well, unfortunately, it doesn't work that way. God, in His infinite wisdom, gave us the ability to remember the past, but not to see the future. Why would He do that? So we can change what we do today. We look back, we reflect on what happened yesterday. We know we can't change it, but we can change what we do today, and that becomes the building blocks of our tomorrow. So, if you want more of the same, then get along. If you want something different, stick around for a minute, okay? Now, we don't have the latest, slickest, hottest thing that just came down the pike. What we have is a 90-day mentoring program that actually teaches you how to trade. It's not some kind of wizardry or trickery. It's just reading the chart, this chart, a chart like this, the same way you read a newspaper, the same way a detective solves a crime. When he shows up on the scene, what's the first thing he does? He whips out his little notebook, or today maybe his iPad, or his I don't know, what iPhone are we up to, number 7, you know, the big guy? And he starts to take notes so that he can solve the case. Well, that's what you're doing every day when you're open your charts, is you're attempting to solve the case for today. Where are the buyers? Where are the sellers? And where would it be most advantageous for me to enter the market, not to hit a home run, not to make $1,000 off of one contract, but to simply reach my goal for the day? See, if I can become consistently profitable, not hitting home runs, not hitting grand slams, but just getting base hits day after day after day, I'll never be the guy that makes 10 points in a day or 20 points in a day, but I will be the guy, if I'm trading the S&P, who consistently makes 2 points a day. Now, once I get really good at making those 2 points, in fact, based on our methodology, once you've increased your account balance by $2,000, you add a second contract. No extra work, no more hours in front of the screen. Same 2 points as when you were trading one contract, except now you're trading 2, and you're making $200 a day. We all deserve $200 a day, right? I mean, it's worth that just to get out of bed. We then go to a calendar-based method, and the calendar will tell you when it's time to add contract number 3, and number 4, and number 5, In fact, our 24/20 blueprint is designed to take you from 1 to 20 contracts over a period of 24 months. So there's no get rich quick. Sorry, that's what you're looking for. Keep trolling. And when you find out that those empty promises are simply empty promises, then come on back here. We are now in our second decade of broadcast history. We would love for you to visit apply.cfrn.net. Sign up for a 1-week free trial. That's 5 trading days. Download the platform, download the indicators. If you already have Ninja, our indicators work with Ninja and a host of other platforms. Come on over, check it out. You'll see what we've got. Download the platform, download the indicators, and spend 5 days in the live training room, 2 hours a day. Ask all the questions you want. We'll answer every single question you have. And on top of that, here's what we'll do. We'll also spend 1 private mentoring session with you at no charge. That's 45 minutes with just you and I, or you and Michael, in a go-to meeting room where you can see his charts or my charts, and we can see your charts if you so choose, and we can help you better understand our very simple, very humble methodology. Remember, this isn't the hit it out of the park place. This is the learn how to make $100 a day per contract place. Over time, we will methodically add contracts using profits that you earned in the market. Do you know how to tell if you're a trader? Let me see if I can do a Jeff Foxworthy. If you have profits, you're probably a trader. Fair enough? We'll teach you how to get there. In fact, we're going to start you out in Sim. We're going to keep you in Sim until you put together 10 days in a row where you make $100 in 10 trades or less. Once you accomplish that, then you get to go live with the 1 contract. That's when you begin to build that $2,000. Remember, you got to increase your account balance by $2,000 before you add the 2nd contract. Then we go to a calendar-based method. There's no charge. You've got 5 days to kick the tires, ask the questions, use the platform, use the indicators, use our actual strategy. It's that simple. We'll teach you the strategy the first day. Then you have 4 days to practice it. At the end of the week, you'll know if, eureka, you found it. Or you'll go, man, that's too much like work. I'm looking for some easy money. Well, I'm sorry, we don't have any easy money for you, but we do have a method where you can build your own trading business and you can grow it as large as you want. You want to be the next Goldman Sachs? The world is your oyster. If you simply want to trade 5, 10 contracts, earn an above average living, we got that too. But it all starts with you showing up here, signing up for the trial. If at any time you need help, call us at 949-42-EMINI or give us an email, support@cfrn.net. And you can always visit the mothership, cfrn.net. Again, we're well into our 2nd decade of broadcast history. Every morning we do the live training room from 9:30 to 11:30 a.m. Eastern. We break for 30 minutes, and then we do 30 minutes of live radio. That's what you're mostly going to find here on the YouTube page, are archives of lots and lots of radio shows. But mixed in, you'll find a smattering of other things. If you want to see a lot of the other things, go to emini.cfrn.net and scroll down and scroll down and scroll down, and when you think you've reached the bottom, you're not even close. There's a lot of content there, so check it out. And I hope to see you tomorrow morning in the live training room. Once you go here, apply.cfrn.net, you'll be required to enter your name, your email address. You'll get an automated email. Click the link. Once you click the link, we're notified that you want to take the trial. We'll then manually send you out a very lengthy email with a lot of instructions, a lot of explanation. You need to read through the entire thing and get yourself ready for tomorrow morning. Okay? All right, this is Dwayne signing off, and look forward to seeing you in the live training room. Take care.